Welcome to our podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of tech innovations. Today, we're talking about an exciting new open source browser called lightpanda, specifically designed for headless usage. Now, you might be wondering, what does that even mean? Well, let's break it down. So, lightpanda is built to handle the complexities of modern web applications, especially those loaded with JavaScript. Remember the days when scraping a web page was as simple as sending an HTTP request? Those days are long gone, as JavaScript has become an integral part of the web. Think Ajax, single-page applications, and so on. It's everywhere now. Now, traditional browsers like Chrome are heavyweights. They can be RAM and CPU hogs, which makes them impractical for scalable web automation, especially when we're talking about deploying hundreds or thousands of instances. That's where lightpanda shines. It's crafted from the ground up, not a mere iteration of Chromium, Blink, or WebKit. Instead, it uses Zig, a system programming language optimized for performance. How cool is that? And speaking of performance, lightpanda boasts an ultra-low memory footprint, 9 times less than Chrome, and it's 11 times faster. You can imagine how appealing that would be for tasks like AI training or web scraping. Here's something else interesting. Lightpanda is still in the beta stage, which means there's still quite a bit of work to be done. You might experience some crashes or failures on certain websites, but the team is continually improving its capabilities. The features available so far include an HTTP loader, HTML parsing, and basic support for JavaScript through the V8 engine. Now let's talk about what it means for developers and users. For those who are front-end developers, the rise of headless browsers can be a game changer. You get to automate tasks like testing and scraping without the overhead of full browsers. Plus, the fact that it has basic DOM APIs and other crucial web APIs means you can interact with web pages more intuitively, even in a headless state. Before we wrap up, let's think about what this means for the future of web interaction and automation. As more sites become dynamic and reliant on JavaScript, tools like lightpanda could become essential, allowing developers to scrape, test, and automate processes seamlessly. To leave you with a thought, how will headless browsing evolve alongside the growing complexity of web applications? Will we see a future dominated by lightweight, fast browsers tailored for specific tasks? That's definitely a topic for further discussion. Thanks for tuning in today. Keep exploring the tech landscape, and we'll see you next time with more insights and innovations.